So what can you do with this particular question here? Here we are asked to evaluate or to simplify y raised to power half minus y raised to power minus half. Okay, so the truth is that most math problems are not as difficult as they seem. So all you need to do is focus on the steps, the rules that you've understood, and then try to apply them the most possible way. So what can I do here? This is indices, but of course, I cannot apply the rule straight away because I have subtraction, and there is no rule that applies to subtraction at the base, okay, so except at the power. So what can I do? I will try to see, is there a way to write any of the powers to contain the other? So, and quickly, I can actually write half to be equal to minus half plus 1. Of course, minus half plus 1 will give me half. And I can as well write minus half as half minus 1. Either of the two is okay. So if I want to use this, that means I will use here to replace this. And if I want to use this, I will use this one to replace this. And I choose to use the first one. And maybe I will appreciate it if you use the second approach to see if you will get the same answer. So quickly, let's go. So here I'm going to have that this is equal to my half now will be replaced by minus half plus 1. And I will have minus, and then here I will now have y raised to the power of minus half. So now you can see I have minus half here, minus half, and then I will try to go further with my simplification. So here I can now apply the rule of indices that says that if a is raised to the power of m plus n, that it is the same thing as a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. And so I'm going to write this as y to the power of minus half multiplied by y to the power of 1. And then I close my bracket, minus y to the power of negative half. All right, and that solves the problem. So what do? I'll try to factorize. There is y power minus half, y power minus half. So I'll bring it out. And so in the bracket, I will have only y to the power minus 1 here. If I divide by this, so, and this is the same thing as y. And if I divide by y power minus half here, I will have 1. And you are done. So this is going to give us y minus 1 all over. Remember that there is also another rule that tells us that if I have a raised to the power minus n, that it is the same thing as 1 all over a raised to the power n. So I can actually bring down this to become a denominator for this, and then the power will change to positive half. And that gives me the solution to the problem as y minus 1 all over. Of course, we know that power half is the same thing as square root of y. And that is the solution to the problem. If this helped you, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and do give a thumbs up to this video. And then there is an exercise which I would like you to give in the comment section below what your solution is. Let's have your solution in the comment section. Bye-bye.